Hey guys, welcome back to Live Your Style. I'm Sharrah, and today we are going to talk about how to decorate a space with roommates. Since a lot of you guys are going back to school, a lot of you guys have roommates. Really, if you have a spouse or a best friend, or maybe you're in college and you share an actual room with someone, this video will apply to you. So if you guys have roommates, stop this video right now, go get your roommate, bring them and watch this video together, because this will really help you guys figure out your space. But before you grab your roommate, make sure you subscribe. Okay, question of the video. If you guys could pick any video that I do on YouTube, what would it be? Leave your comments, subscribe, grab your roommate, and let's get started. Number 1. Number 1, have a roommate meeting. Okay, so I want to start this off saying that I love you, and I know that our styles might be different, but we've lived together for 2 years now, and if we both commit to trying, I think that this can be a really enjoyable experience. So what do you think about starting off picking a color palette together? So you know my favorite colors are white. I mean, how do you feel about that? With the dirty paw thing and everything? Can you commit to always wiping off your paws when you come in the door? Okay, so what do you think about making a Pinterest board? You want to get on the same page and make sure that you guys kind of set the vibe for your space. So sometimes that'll mean sitting down at the table, laying out different options for a color palette, deciding on a budget, and even figuring out which furniture you want to keep and which furniture you'd like to get rid of. And as I always recommend for different clients that I work with, put a Pinterest board together, because that will just make it easier for you to identify styles and visually see it as opposed to verbally trying to communicate it. It's just a lot easier to see the pictures, see what goes together, and then make your decision. Number 2, make your existing furniture consistent. For the furniture that you guys do want to keep, try to make little changes to the furniture to try to make it look like it goes together. So, for example, you could switch out hardware to make sure the hardware matches other finishes in the house. A great way to upcycle old furniture that you don't want to get rid of, sand it down, grab a paintbrush, and get to painting. You guys can paint it a clean white or whatever color you want and make it look cohesive. Number 3, go shopping together. Ooh, this is cute. Look at these. Look, do you like this? So, what do you think of this? Do you like this? Do you like it? Are you into it? Sit if you're into it. High five if you're into it. Come on, high five. Oh, is it pretty? Yeah. You like it? Oh, okay. You like this one? Yay! It's super important that when you guys do pick out new furniture items, you do it together, whether that be online or in the store, because you want to make sure you agree on the look and the budget of what you're spending. Number 4, go for function over form, or when you can, try to find both. If you're living with a roommate, you both need all the space you can get for your things. Stress, storage, and organization, and designate all of your things in bins, boxes, and different things like that, so you can get your stuff out of each other's way and have your own designated spot. And herein lies the reason to get your own basket for your own stuff. Number 5, make your bedroom your own. So the common areas are places that you have to share and you have to compromise, but your bedroom is a place that you can just do your thing. It's a place where you should truly try to express your style and go wild with it. Your room doesn't have to go with everything else in the house, because you're gonna be behind a closed door. So allow this space to really be a personal place that can reflect what you love, what you're into, and what your style is. Okay guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you loved our video, the Scout version. She did such a good job, didn't she? Give this video a thumbs up if you guys loved Scout in this video and want to see more funny videos like that. Hopefully you guys learned a lot from this video. I know we kind of mixed it up and made it a little more fun this week. I don't know, we just wanted to add a little spice to the video, see how it goes. So I hope you guys loved it. Leave me your comments below, give this video a thumbs up. And if you guys want to sign up for the Live It Journal, we show you guys how to mix different design styles and really how to live cohesively with another person and make your space look beautiful. So I'll leave that link below and I'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.